I'm here at HPE Discover. I'm standing next to the machine, a sculpture that, well, we'll talk about that next on Geekazine.
So what you can see behind us here is a really beautiful light sculpture that is really a metaphor for distributed mesh computing powered by the machine. So you might be wondering what we mean when we say distributed mesh computing, and it's really our take on the Internet of Things. It's kind of like the Internet of Your Things, where we're saying, what if we take the power of the machine, which we will be bringing very soon to the world, we say, what if we can actually bring that down to a very, very small form factor and make every sensor in the world have a tiny machine next to it? Then we could do some amazing things with all of that data that's out there in the Internet of Things. So every orb that you see in that sculpture represents a node in the network. So a node in the network could be a car, a connected car. It could be a telecommunications tower. It could be an airplane, or even places in a retail store. And what we can do then is we can say, let's look at all of the data that that car is generating and all the sensors that are on the connected car. We can actually do a lot of the analytics in place if we have this very small form factor version of the machine. And then all we need to do actually is take the insights, right? Look at the events that we've actually calculated as something that's important, and that is the information that we share with all the other nodes in the network. So what that means is that your data is yours and it stays private. So that means that all of your data stays on your car, right, or it stays on the cell tower. It doesn't need to be shared with the entire network. Only the insights, the things that you really care about, are the things that the rest of the network needs to know, and then they can actually communicate with each other.